Pull up your socks, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, pull one's socks up. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but it's quite common in English-speaking countries. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples together. Stay tuned. Pull one's socks up is a popular English idiom that means to improve one's performance, behavior, or attitude. It's often used as a piece of advice or encouragement, suggesting that someone needs to try harder or make an effort to better themselves in some way. While the exact origin of this phrase is a bit unclear, it's believed to be related to the early 20th century British school system. Students were expected to maintain a neat and tidy appearance, which included keeping their socks pulled up. Over time, the phrase took on a metaphorical meaning, emphasizing the need for improvement or increased effort in more than just appearance. You can use this phrase in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal advice. It's usually directed at someone who is not meeting expectations or could benefit from putting in more effort. Here are some examples. After a poor midterm exam result, you really need to pull your socks up if you want to pass this course. At work, when someone is underperforming, the boss said I need to pull my socks up if I want to keep my job. There are several other idioms in English that convey a similar meaning. These include step up one's game, get one's act together, and shape up. While each of these phrases has its unique nuance, they all suggest an improvement or a need to meet a higher standard. And that's all for today's lesson on the idiom, pull one's socks up. We hope you found this video helpful and that it's given you a new phrase to add to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and understand the culture better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you next time.